Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the gift card ready and you're signed in. Now start checkout. First, confirm the gift card code and whether it's physical or digital because entry differs. Once done, add your items to the cart and review the subtotal, taxes, and shipping. Make sure the total matches what you expect. Next, go to the payment step. Don't leave the page. This immediate action prevents price changes and it prepares you to apply the card correctly at checkout. You're at payment, here's the detailed how. Choose the payment method labeled gift card or redeem gift card, then carefully type the full code. Visually confirm characters like O versus 0 and I versus 1. If your card covers only part of the total, add a secondary payment method and choose split payment. The system will apply the gift balance first, then charge the remainder. Once you enter the code, wait for confirmation. Do not refresh during verification, since that can interrupt the process. You're almost done. Confirm the order and save the order number and confirmation email for records. After purchase, check your Gamestop account wallet or gift card page to verify the remaining balance and reconcile it with your receipt. If the card is declined, don't panic. Double-check the code entry, ensure the physical card was activated at the register, and confirm funds were available. If issues persist, contact Gamestop support with a photo or screenshot of the card, and your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.